Most people are using Claude absolutely wrong. They are only using about 15% of what Claude is actually all about. They're missing all the real useful parts, and this is the difference between just using it as a chat box, just type in something, get an answer back, and actually it becoming an assistant that lives on your computer. So in this video, in the next couple of minutes, I'll be showing you guys 6 different methods that you can use Claude in that takes you from just using 15% to using the 85% that most people miss. With feature number 1 being Claude Code. A lot of people don't actually know that to code proper projects or to organize all the files on your computer, you don't actually use the Claude chatbot. You've also got a Claude that basically lives in your terminal that can look at the files on your computer where you say, hey, clean this folder up, group the files by type into subfolders, or that people actually use to build things with. But a lot has changed with Claude Code over the past couple of months, and recently you don't need to use it in your terminal as much anymore. You can actually just use it in the Claude desktop app. And like I said, you don't need to be a coder to actually code stuff because you can still speak in plain language, but you're basically making files, editing files, and I've got a lot of commands to do so. If you just type in / for example, you see a very big overview of different things that it could do for you. But I'd actually say that this feature right here is a lot more useful than most people if you're not really planning to build anything specific, which is Claude Cowork. So Claude Cowork is basically like this assistant friend that lives on your computer. You've got one main file with a lot of subfiles, and Claude is also working in that with you. Claude Cowork allows you to build projects that have a main file at the center with all the information. And it can, for example, help you out if you got a PDF somewhere on your computer that you want edited or changed, or some sort of file you want changed. Claude Cowork can help you do that. It can also help you write documents or combine documents, things of that sort. Just anything you could do on your computer that you'd like an assistant for. It could start to help you with, but it becomes so much more powerful with feature number 3, which is Claude in Chrome. So Claude for Chrome is this extension on your Google Chrome that allows Claude to actually use the internet in a very easy, clickable way. I can, for example, go to Claude Cowork or Claude Code and type in, hey, go ahead and watch this YouTube video for me. Hey, go ahead and go and load up this website. And it'll actually use Chrome to go ahead and do these tasks. You can also ask it questions just directly in Chrome to do things or summarize specific things. But there's another feature that's actually very much underused, which is Claude in Excel. A lot of people do not realize that Claude is available in Excel. And so if for your job, you're writing a lot of formulas, you've got a lot of data, you can actually let your AI help you out with that. So whenever you open up one of your Excel files and you want some help with that, you can actually go ahead and just open up Claude in another tab that basically lives in your right panel, and it can edit the files for you. It can help you break down some of your cells, test out scenarios without breaking formulas, debug things, which is the biggest part for me, and potentially just build entirely new models or help your existing templates. Now, on Claude's own website for Excel, there's a little part that says turn workflows in Excel into skills. And that's actually what my 5th feature is all about, plugins and skills for Claude. And let me tell you, most users that use Claude casually install 0 plugins and use almost no new skills, but a plugin is basically a bundle of tools, integrations, and workflows that get installed in just one click. There are public marketplaces for these, and there are skills people share that turn Claude into a specialist for a specific job, like for example a thumbnail maker or a script writer or a financial analyst. And within Claude itself, it can be found under Code or Cowork under this Customize section. So if you press it, it'll showcase here you can connect apps, create new skills, browse plugins. The skills and plugins section can be found under Customize right here. Then we press skills, then we press this little plus. We click browse skills, and we can take a look at some of the ones officially launched by Anthropic and partners that you can just easily install, or you can go ahead and find out different ones in the plugin section right here. If you, for example, want to connect Figma or Adobe. But the one skill that's really just absolutely broken the game for me, just made it so extremely unbelievably good, is Claude Design. Claude Design is a tool that turns a little prompt into an actual working app. And this is, for example, a little app I made in a video a few days ago where I talked about Claude Design and how to use it. It's an app here for tracking your habits. And like I said, I made this in just a few minutes. It actually works. Every single time you've done your habit, you just click the button. It tracks it in a certain way. In this case here, it made 3 different iterations because I said, hey, you know what? Make sure it's done a few different manners because I do not know what I like the most. But this is a game changer. You can basically make an app, know exactly what it looks like, and it's built properly, because look at how beautiful this looks like, right? In just the span of a few minutes. And instead of having to work with an editor and a front-end, back-end guy, whatever, all these programmers, you could just chat back to it to say exactly what you want it to change. And this looks like it was a lot of chatting, but it wasn't. It was just one simple prompt that you can see at the top right there with, I believe, one small little change. So it took me about 1 minute to write this. It took a few minutes to generate this. And now I've got a fully working app that I can actually let get sent to Claude, Cowork. I can actually send from within this Claude design to Canva or to Claude Code to actually build it out to a proper app, or perhaps just make some proper designs within Canva. This is extremely powerful. So that's it. Those were the 6 main tools I think every person should know about when it comes to Claude. Pick one, try it out this week. Matter of fact, try it out today if you've got some time. And once you've done that, you already passed the line. You're already better at using Claude now than 85% of people, because most people never use Claude more than just as a little chat box. But it can do so much more, and I really want you to try it out. But that was about it for this video, and I make AI videos every single day, so hopefully you guys tune back in tomorrow. If you got a question, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys again in another one.